how to show your online statue on your TradingView, or how to hide or unhide your online statue on TradingView app. So I will show you how to do this. Just you have to watch and follow this video till the end. Open first your TradingView. After this, you just need to go now directly to the corner of the screen in the bottom to click on the menu here. So when you click on it, just click here and click on edit. So after this, you will go to the last option, show my online statue. If you want to show it, just click here and make it like this. If you want to hide your online statue, click like this, and that's all. So don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel. See you next video.